welcome back to my channel. This is Cheryl with iStylEmystyle, and today I am bringing you a video that's a little different. I am going to be sharing with you my favorite items for H&M Home for the spring. I did a video earlier in the year of my favorite things that I love from Crate & Barrel. You guys seem to love that, so I thought I would go ahead and look at H&M Home. You guys know recently I bought that really pretty black vase from H&M Home. So pretty. I put in some purple tulips. Oh my gosh, it just made the lounge pop. I was so happy that I took the plunge and decided to, branch out of my comfort zone. You guys know I decorate in black and white. Green is my accent color, and I bring that in by using florals and greenery. And every now and again, I'll throw in a little pop of color. But I added purple, and not a really loud purple, but as you can see by the florals, it's just soft and subtle. It just went here in the lounge really well. So very happy about that. So I thought I would share with you the items that I am loving from H&M Home. Now, they dropped a new spring collection, and let me tell you, I am in love. Oh my gosh. So let me stop babbling and tell you some of the things that I'm loving. I have my computer right here, so if I glance over to the side, that's what I'm looking at. But one of the things I'm really loving, and you guys have seen it many times before, it's probably been featured in several YouTube videos in the past, but it's this really pretty bubble vase. It comes in a variety of different heights. It has a small or medium size and a tall one, and I just like the bubbles on it. Oh my gosh, I think it would be so pretty. It's so modern. I don't particularly care for the color, but I would buy the vase, and I don't think it comes in black. So I would buy it and I would paint it black. And in this photo, you can see they have it styled with some greenery and some wooden utensils. Can you imagine if only it were black, how cool and modern it would look? Oh my gosh. So I am looking at that. The next vase I'm looking at is this one. This one is very modern and aesthetic as well. I like the look. It's like, looks like it's a wrought iron or it looks like a metal, but it's really not. It's a ceramic vase. I absolutely love the style. I love the aesthetic of it, and it would look perfect here in my home. So I'm loving that. I also love these really pretty tall brass candle holders. I recently picked up some brass candle holders from Home Goods, I believe, and they had this nautical rope that was tied around it. I didn't really care for that. So I went ahead and bought them anyway, and when I came home, I unraveled that raffia, or I don't know, it's twine, and they look absolutely perfect. So dainty and modern here on my coffee table in my loft. Absolutely love that. And then some other items that I was liking were these hand towels. Now, these come in several different colors, and I really love the sage green look. Absolutely breathtaking, and you guys know I use green all the time, so I thought that would look perfect here in my home. Absolutely love. It also had, there's a hand towel, there's a tea towel, and oh gosh, what else? My bath towel, I believe. Absolutely love those colors for spring, so those are on my list to get. The next thing I really loved, now if you want to be really bougie in your powder room, these hand towels have you covered. I like that they have like the little tie on the end. Absolutely perfect, and I love the geometric design of this one. So perfect for your powder room. The next thing that I love are these really pretty geometric pillows. I actually bought these already, and they're in my loft now, and they look absolutely perfect up there. The only thing that I don't like is online, they're white, looks like it's a bright white. In person, it's more of a cream, and I'm not a fan of that. but from far away, they look really nice. So I picked those up, and it not only comes in black and white, it also comes in this really pretty sage green and white color. To continue with the pillows, I love this linen pillow. I think it would be perfect on your bed, on your couch, anywhere you can throw a pillow in your home, and your accent chair, I think would look absolutely perfect. And I absolutely love that color. To continue that green theme, there is a linen duvet cover in green. Oh my gosh, it would be perfect for spring and summer. I absolutely love it. I have my eye on that. I cannot wait to pick that up. Also, they have this really light colored green pillow. I just like the texture of it. That particular color, this I don't know, like a sherbety color is not for me. I am more of a sage green person, but I wanted to show you that it does come in other colorways. And then the next pillow I liked were these. These are a rectangular pillow, and they are, looks like it's a cream color. Looks like my hair doesn't want to stay in place, but it looks like it's a cream color. And it's outlined in black piping. Oh my gosh, I think that would look so pretty on your bed. You know, my bed is a king size velvet bed. I mean, it's ginormous. It's really huge. So, and I think this would look absolutely perfect on there. So I have my eye on that. And also, I really love these geometric velvet pillow covers. Absolutely love those. I think they would be perfect layered with the green pillows on your bed. And then the next thing, still in the bedroom, I thought would be perfect would be these fitted sheets. They come in this charcoal color. Again, I think it would be perfect for your bedroom, and it's linen. You know, guys, you can't go wrong with linen, and it's at a very affordable price. Keeping with the bedroom theme, the next thing I am loving are these robes. They're not real silk, they're satin, but they are spectacular, and I think they would be perfect if you had a long day at work and you come home, you take a shower, or more importantly, a long relaxing bubble bath with a glass of wine, a little bit of music, relax, get out and put on this beautiful black robe. Oh my gosh, can you see it? Well, no, you don't want to see it. Can you feel the vibe? Yeah, I'm really loving that robe, and so that's on my list. And we're coming down to the last few things that I absolutely love. When I saw these, oh my gosh, I was like, I have to have them. I have to have them, but they're so expensive. So it is this. It's this dinnerware. It's like a creamy white dinnerware. It is rimmed in gold. I am not typically a gold fan, but these plates look so pretty. I just absolutely love them. And as you can see here, you can just do everything with your table. If you were having like a summer tea party, now that people are out and about, COVID's kind of died down a little bit. It's not gone away. It's still here, but it's died down. We can get all out and about for summer. We can have little picnics with our friends and family. And I can see this just set up on the perfect table with the little 2-tier tray where you can have some little canopies in there, or some macaroons, our glasses with some mimosa in it. Oh my gosh, I just can't wait. So I absolutely love that set. I think it would be perfect for spring, and I'm loving that, and that's on my list. But it took my breath away. It's in my colors, black and white, and I am going to get it. I am just speechless. I'm speechless, as you can tell, because I absolutely love this dinnerware. It's black and white. It's rimmed with a little gold. I love the flowers. I love everything about this tablescape. Absolutely love. And it is on my wish list to get. Just look how they have it perfectly set here. Oh my gosh, absolutely love, love, love. And the wine coupe glass, guys. Oh, can you get any bougier than that? Oh, can you see it? Oh my gosh, I'm getting it all. I'm getting it all. It's expensive. I'm getting it all unless I can find a dupe. You guys know I'm all about the luxe look for less, so I am going to see if I can find something similar that I can use to recreate this look, because one little salad plate is $10. $10 for a little salad plate. So I am going to try to find a dupe for it, but if I don't, worst case scenario, I figure I could go with some plates that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, and they are black and white. And then I could get this little salad plate from mhome and pair it with that plate. Then the plate only costs me, the salad plate only costs me $9. The dinner plate costs me $1, but I still get that luxe look for less. And then I have my gold silverware that I already have, or I could pair with it some silverware that I got recently that's black. Oh my gosh, it's so, so modern. Guys, I'm getting ready to give you some spring Easter tablescape ideas. So if you are enjoying the video and you are looking for some tablescape inspiration, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new here, welcome. My name is Sheryl. I love decorating with style on a budget, and I try to make my home look a lot more expensive than it really is. So I do a lot of budget decorating, thrifting. I haven't been thrifting a lot lately because there's really not anything out there. Like, I am getting ready to do a collaboration with a close friend here on YouTube of a thrift upcycle, and I've been out looking and I haven't really found anything that I would actually use in my home. And one of the things I said this year is that I'm not going to bring anything into my home that I'm not going to use, that's just going to sit around and collect dust. So I'm still on the hunt, but if you like those type of videos and you love budget decorating, then this is the channel for you. And if my hair would stay in place. But I am getting this dinnerware set. So guys, oh, and the other thing that I'm loving is this oversized egg holder. Again, can you get any bougier than that? Look at it. Absolutely love it. And I can see that on my table for Easter. Again, one of my favorites, and I'm sure I'm gonna get that. Guess I don't think I would be able to find a dupe for it. So guys, that is what I am loving from mhome. I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If so, again, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you enjoyed the video and you would like to see what other stores that I'm loving their spring collection from this year, leave me a comment down below. I know a lot of you guys also love to decorate in black and white, and I know a lot of you love my home decor style. So if you're having trouble and you need some suggestions, leave me a comment down below. I will be more than happy to do another video, for those black and white decor lovers that we are, who love to decorate in that style in our home. So that's all I have for you today, my friends. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you in the next one.